So my GoPro decided not to record my entire way here. I just had to run an errand at up to the licensing place. But anyways, this time, now we're actually recording, we are going to be going to the stunt lot, just so you guys know. I'm hoping some people might show up, or there might be some people there, because I suck at wheelies and I want to get better at them, as you guys can see from my last video. So we're gonna head there again and try and learn how to do them better, because that's how you do wheelies. You just keep, that's how you get better at wheelies. You just keep on doing them and you get better and better every time. There's a cop. Being very careful, don't piss off the sheriff. Oh, what's that? That's some old car. Oh, Cabo going after him. Woo. Alright, to the stunt lot we go. Such a beautiful day. It was smoky a little while ago, but today it's beautiful. Fires had me scared for my life, but we is fine. We're gonna go straight. Woo! Those rev matches. Let's go. I love the pops and bangs on this thing too. And no, it is not tuned. I'm just fucking retarded and took out the cat, because who needs a cat? Who needs a cat on a bike like this? I want to be a nuisance to society. I want it to sound like there was World War III going on every fucking day I'm driving this thing. That just sounds like a... Inside of my thing is fogging up. I gotta get some air in here to... There we go. To the stunt lot. Ooh, that's a nice Mustang in there. On a nice air Mustang, you see? Wake me up before you go. There's a cop. He's looking at me. I don't know if it's illegal to do that or not. Probably not. Gonna get that rear tire a little squirrely. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see. First try. Maybe it'll be a good wheelie first try. Not the greatest, but not the worst. No, so yeah, I'll just stick to this back half of the parking lot. Damn it! I did not get that in quick enough. Doing second gear wheelies on this bike is hard. You have to like get it like perfect in order for it to be right. It's like 25 miles an hour and then just like a really quick just... That was not even close. That time I could have been, I think if I had been a little bit more in the power band I would have been good, but okay, that time I came up a little bit more than I expected it to. Yeah, I just wish I could pop this thing up like it was nothing. That's kind of why I want a supermoto. I want a bike to really learn how to wheelie on. I don't care about dropping this thing. I'll be a little upset if I dropped it, just because it is in such mint condition. Don't look at that. That was a good one. Okay, that was a good one. The best one yet, definitely. Dude, I know how to do it, it's just hard to do it consistently. Okay, that time I kind of got it up. Really had to force myself into the suspension for that, but I'm getting better. I used to not even be able to do wheelies on this thing in second gear. Now I can at least kind of get it up consistently. Might give it a little bit to cool down. I'm hungry. I should have eaten before I left. I was kind of in a rush to make sure I got to the DMV on time. Or not the DMV, the DOL. Whatever the fuck it is. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is a nice bike. I don't know what this is. It just kind of showed up. Can I scrape it off with my fingernail? Can I? Yes, I can. Okay, cool. So it's not like a scuff of damage. I need to get like some tank guards on this thing. It's like I'm so close, I can feel it. Like, and there are a couple of times where I really do get this thing up there, and it's just like, I don't know. And also with how soft my rear brake is feeling, I honestly might I might try a few more and then call it a day, because I need to work on the brakes on this thing. Because I mean, look at this. I can almost pull this thing all the way to the handlebars. I just pulled it all the way to the handlebars. I probably need to bleed my brake system, or not bleed, just flush it and do it again. But I mean, the front brake works. It still grabs really hard. It's just that you have to pull it a little bit farther in. But I don't know. It's fun. It's a fun bike. It's fun. Fun being able to come out here and do wheelies. I want a Supermoto though. Supermoto just in general would be a lot of fun to putt around town on. All right. Let's give it another go. I don't know what I need to do to get this thing up. Yeah, that time I just gave it a good amount of throttle and it came right up. Oh gosh, that time I did the timing wrong. I had myself in right here when I popped the clutch, so the bike almost just came up and like smacked me in the face. You guys got to see it better than I did. Come on. Get a good wheelie in. Come on, I'm so close. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, that time I got it up higher. Try one more right here. This is gonna be my best one right here. All right, good enough. Good enough for me. All right, I don't want to beat on this bike too hard. No, I need a cool breeze. I think I might take the freeway home. All right, time to hop on the freeway. Actually, it's not a freeway, it's a highway, but potato, it has an on-ramp. Actually, that technically would be would this technically be a freeway then? It's a freeway that turns into a highway. That's what it is. Woo! Alright, there we go. Woo! Oh man, it feels so good to have the wind on me. I know you guys can't hear shit, but oh my gosh, dude, the wind feels so good. So nice. It's been so fucking hot out. The past like 3 weeks, it's been like 90 to 100 degrees constantly, and it's like it's 81 degrees. 81 degrees is what they said today was B. Today it was B. I'm turning into my friend, but it is such a beautiful day just because of the fact that it is so cool out. The zoomies feel so good. I have a severe case of the zoomies.